And I forgot, but I just remembered. For the surface types, I did concrete, dirt, carpet, wood. Most of it is for the concrete, as for shown just previously, where whenever you hear the footsteps, it will be if the floor is generated as concrete, the surface type is concrete, then it'll make the footstep sound effects.